And when you have Anthem come out to do a maintenance and you sign up for our programs, it's $14.95 a month or $185 for the year. We come out twice a year. That's the spring and the fall. And we also give you a maintenance on your plumbing system. So you're getting 3 maintenances, one plumbing and 2 air conditioning or furnace maintenances. And we clean out your condensers outside to make sure that they're clean, can breathe easily. We change out the 1-inch filters. If you have a larger filter, we do have them available. And we make sure your filters are clean. And then we also clean out your furnace in the wintertime. We'll go in there and clean out your furnace, make sure that blower's running properly, your a heat exchanger, that all the valves are working properly, the safety stuff, and check your coil, make sure that condensate line is cleared out. And your system's going to work really good for you, keep you cool through the summer with no breakdowns. So give us a call and we'd love to help you out, answer any questions about insulation, air conditioning, thermostats, you name it. Our experts out there want to make sure that we help you and keep you cool and efficient all summer long. So I'm Mike with Anthem Air Conditioning, and thank you for tuning in.